I mean, you come home, come catch your sister and your man in some compromising position, sweat, moaning, groaning, doggy style.
We don't open the man back, chop him in it, wicked. Yeah, I'm happy to say that. Yeah.
What you done do? What about your sister? Like?
We don't forgive her because she don't know what she have done. You hear that?
No man can't fuck me good, me stay, no man, I left him.
Both of them are getting beaten up.
The boyfriend will get beat up.
And the sister too, yeah.
So you don't do with your sister?
We can't abandon my sister. Anybody may have to abandon a musty man. Yeah.
I'm not going to do nothing more than just put on left it and say enjoy on yourself. See me? The man down in the camera shot, no. You can't hide it.
That's not possible. I would step out, allow them to finish, get myself together, and then light the house with them in it.
Think about it first and plan what I've got to do.
Would I kill them?
I would dump him and not speak to her.
But I don't know what's not talking that night. That's strictly violence, though. But me not even remember some of my sister. It's one of my exes.
Both of them are dead. I beat out them blood clot.
It's a pretty simple question.
We are cooperate, let's share.
I go have her up here. She couldn't talk back to me.
Me and I would have fight.
Because you know she after me. And she can't go and like say she walk out, take what belongs to me.
I would just leave.
That's it?
Yeah.
To be continued.
What you done do?
What a mess.
I just walk past them and take up my things and left. I pack my bag and me I leave.
I don't need an explanation. They should have in another position the first of all. Kill him, that's it.
I'm not going to do nothing. You know, honestly, you might she can go on.
No, me a Christian, I'm not engaged in a date.
Moaning and groaning. What you done do? What would you do?
Best friend.
To my sister here. I mean, no, me not catch her pants off my man.
You come home, come catch your brother and your girlfriend.
Eh, that a go on.
Two of them would have dropped flat, you know.
If my brother trap my girl, me I trap my brother girl. See him so. Alright. I'm a woman.
Your personal woman.
I also am with that do man. Personal woman. Alright, watch how I go on. If I'm personal woman, I feel that way, yes. Watch how I go on. She go have to go on her ways, but my brother, I still my brother. I never like him. Rape her, drape her up and dump tape her. He never use a knife to scrape her. She never show no girth mark, so I could have said him drape her. So at the end of the day,
she
go give him never rape her. So watch how I go on. I say thing go, pick up my brother. Don't know ever go there for one another, but one bitch can go on. And you don't know every day a new one born. So the journey have to carry on. So 6K, that's how I perform. I'm out.
Yeah, leave a comment right down there, sir. See how I'm deal with this.
Yeah, we did have to call
you come home, come catch your husband, your spouse or your boyfriend cheating on you with your sister. Yeah, leave a comment right down there, sir. Alright, viewers, subscribers, followers. Remember, you know, one more acting, that's it.